May expressly po ba na nakasulat na may isang kusing na napunta sa bulsa ng Vice Presidente?
Ask and answer, Your Honor. Wait, don't answer. Good.
At ang purpose po is to cover confidential activities for fiscal year 2014. You see that?
Yes, sir.
And nung December 22, 2014, nasa ICFAO na po kayo. Tama po ba?
Anong period po yan, sir?
We have a clear here po. Date of issue, December 22, 2014.
Yes po, nasa ikaw na po.
Tama po ba? At hindi po si Vice President Sara Duterte ang Vice President ng mga panahon na yun. Tama po ba?
Yes po. Pero na-liquidate po ba yan? That's the question.
That's the question to ICFAO actually because yun po yung, ang pinapakita ko lang sa inyo is nagkaroon po ng confidential funds. Ang Office of the Vice President noong 2014 issued December 22, 2014.
Based on that document po,
Meron. You confirm. But that's okay, no? Because maybe you were just not aware yesterday when you were asked the question. I just wanted to put that on record because marami na rin pong lumalabas sa social media na si Vice President Sara Duterte lang ang Vice President na nagkaroon ng confidential funds. But you confirm that, sir. Your Honors, just a manifestation, this has not been pre-marked. We just came upon this document yesterday after the statements were made. So upon the agreement made during pre-trial, we request that this be marked as exhibit for the defense D-1-167-DE. -OVP.
Let it be so marked.
Thank you, Your Honors.
Provisional only, Your Honor.
Yes, of course, subject to the objections of the prosecution when the time is
Of course, at
appropriate.
the proper time.
Thank you, Your Honor. And we will provide the prosecution with a copy as well.
Kindly do that after, perhaps later on, after the trial, or now too, so that it can be made a subject matter of redirect. Should the counsel for the panel of prosecutors
Medyo malabo.
so desire.
I can give you
Photocopy.
just a photo. We would like to manifest that this is just a printout, Your Honor, and a photocopy that we retrieved from the Office of the Vice President.
Noted.
Okay. Ito, bibigyan ba natin to? Okay, hindi na. Okay. Anyway, Mr. Witness, at ang purpose po is to cover confidential activities for fiscal year 2014. You see that?
yes, sir.
And nung December 22, 2014, nasa ICFAO na po kayo.